Video we're going to be looking at the factorization skills needed for the A-level maths. So it starts off nice and easy and it gets more and more challenging. So the first one, we just find the highest common factor here, which is 4. Take that out and we're left with x plus 2. Very simple. Here we do the same thing, but now we include the letters as well. So 4y left with 3y minus x. You could always check these by expanding it and see if we come back to our original question. Here we've got just letters, so I'm just going to take out the common letters. X, y minus x. And here we have 2x. So here we're going to use, because it's a quadratic here, in a quadratic form, we're going to use our double brackets. So we need two numbers that multiply together to give me minus 40 and add to give me a positive 3. So here we're going to have 8 and 5, and to get plus 3 it's going to be a positive 8 and a minus 5. Again, if I expand this out, I should get back to this. Here what we're going to do is 2 times 2 is 4. So this has a coefficient at the front, so we're going to do 2 times 2 is 4. So we're going to find two numbers that we're going to split this term up. So we're going to find two numbers that multiply to give me 4 and that add to give me 5. So that is 2x squared plus 4x plus 1x. So just broke this up into 4x plus x plus 2. And then we're going to factorize each part. So we're going to have 2x on the outside, 2x on the outside, and then x plus 2. And that'll be here, same thing, x plus 2. And then from there we're going to have plus 1. So our answer becomes 2x plus 1 and x plus 2 if we factorize that again. Okay, next bit here. First thing I'll do is factorize. I can see they're all multiples of 2, so I'll factorize that out. 2, and so then we have 3x squared minus 4x minus 4. And then we could do the same method as we did above, just for the inside of the bracket. Or if you don't want to take out the 2, you could just do the same thing from the beginning. So that gives me, so minus 12 is what we're after, and that's giving minus 6, so we've got 3x squared minus 4, and that equals to 3. I'll do that underneath. That equates to 3x times x minus 2, and then we're going to do the same thing, x minus 2 plus 2. So my final answer becomes 2 to a bracket of 3x plus 2, and then we have x minus 2. Okay, next up we have x 2x to the power 4 plus 14x squared plus 2y. I'm not sure if this y is meant to be there. Let me just check the textbook. So that is meant to be a 24. Okay, so it's gonna be, so for this one I'm gonna make y equal x squared. Therefore it's gonna be written as 2y squared plus 14y plus 24, and then we just do the same factorization method. I could divide it all by 2, so I got y squared plus 7y plus 12. That equates to 2y plus 4 and y minus, oh sorry, y plus 3. Close bracket there. Close bracket there. And then we could just substitute our x squared into it. So our answer would be 2x squared plus 4 bracket x squared plus 3. Okay, so that's done. That's how you solve when it's a higher coefficient than x squared. The next two, we can see the form is in. We're going to use difference of two squares. So that is simply, because we have a minus and a square number, minus 7 and then x plus 7. And same for the next one, because it's square number and a square number, so just 2x minus 5 and 2x plus 5. Okay, and the last one we have is this one here. So first one we'll do, I can see that all multiples of 3, so I'm going to take off 3 on the outside, and they have x's, so I'm going to take out the x. So we're left with x squared plus 27x. Oh no, there's a multiple of 3, so we'll go back. So 9x plus 20. That's it factorized, and that equals to 3x bracket x. So I need two numbers of times to give me 20 and as to give me 9, which is 5 plus 5 and a plus 4. And that's it, fully factorized.